Hi everybody, my name is Joyce Homan and I'm the teen librarian at the Cambria County Library. Today we're going to talk a little bit about geocaching, what it is, how you can get involved with it, and I'm excited to help you explore it. So today we're looking at a geocaching website. This is the main geocaching site that you'll find, and it's geocaching.com. You're probably wondering a little bit, if you haven't done this before, what geocaching is. And geocaching is a really exciting adventure. It can take you lots of places all over the world, and you can really do it pretty much anytime, and all you need is a smartphone. It's pretty easy to do, and you're going in search of hidden treasures. Our theme for this week for our SummerQuest is Hidden Treasures, and we've got some other activities related to that theme, like orienteering and also doing a time capsule, researching your family history. But I'm excited to encourage you to check out geocaching and to see what you can find doing this activity. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the geocaching app. If you're using an Android phone, you're going to find it in the Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you're going to find it in the Apple Store. And you're going to download this app. It's free. But I'm going to demonstrate to you on the site sort of how you can get there once you've got the app on your phone and what it's going to do. So as you see right here, it says search the millions of geocaches worldwide. We're going to go ahead and type in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. And then we're going to hit search, and it's going to give us every geocache within a 10-mile radius. When you find a geocache, it is basically going to be some sort of box, or it may be a plastic container that someone has hidden, and they've entered the coordinates so that you can find them using GPS with your phone. So this website gives you a description of all the ones that people have logged, so that you can use your phone to go ahead and search for them and then record that you have located those. You can see on my login that I found 3 so far, and that was super fun. Here's a description of the geocaches. Here to the left, you'll see the names of the different ones. It tells you how far away from you are from them at the time, how many people have favorited a particular one, and then it'll tell you the size. So when you're going through the terrain and you're trying to figure out, is it small, is it tiny, is it kind of larger or more regular, then this will give you some indication of that. We've got difficulty. If you're just starting out, you may want to start with the difficulty of ones that are a number 1. Sometimes the ones that are a little more difficult may even require you to solve a puzzle or figure out some sort of system to be able to locate it, but that can be really fun too. But you may want to start out with one of the easier ones. And then you have the terrain. Some of these are located, a lot of them actually are outside. They may be in the woods. So again, you might want to pick a number 1 unless you don't mind a little bit of hiking. And then the last part here are last found and placed on. Placed on is really important because sometimes you can see some of these were placed in 2015. If they are outside, the elements may have done some damage, or someone may have removed them. So that's what the last found is for. If you see a pretty recent date when somebody found one, then you have a pretty good assurance that you're going to be able to find the geocache. And then what you're going to do is when you get to the geocache, you're going to open it up. And like I said, it'll be a box or a plastic container. Most of them contain a log inside where you will sign your name, and some of them contain trinkets. And so if you're following the geocaching code of ethics, you might want to bring something small with you, a trinket that wouldn't decay if it's out in the elements for a bit. Sometimes it's little plastic figurines or something like that. Anything creative that you think somebody else might enjoy finding. And then you go ahead and put it in the box and leave it there for the next person. And if you get a trinket, you can go ahead and take it as a reward for your search that you found your geocache. So that's just a little bit about geocaching. In our next video, we're going to actually go out and search for one and show you how it's done. But I encourage you to give your own tries to any of these geocaches. Give it a shot, and then message us directly on Instagram. Let us at CCL Live Teens and let us know how you did. or send me a picture of your geocache finds at my email, which is homanj@cclsys.org. Happy geocaching!